Creating faceless videos for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok is easier than ever now. If you want to easily and freely generate auto shorts, such as historical shorts, motivational shorts, health shorts, or self-improvement shorts, then you clicked on the right video. In this video, I will teach you how to generate auto shorts without spending a penny. It has no need to create scripts or images. With just 2 clicks, you can produce a professional level short. Simply select the topic, generate, and download. And to be honest, it's the best passive income method you can do in 2024 because channels like Living Wisdom are making thousands of dollars a month with 1.2 million subscribers. The only thing that they are doing to achieve that success is creating and uploading videos daily, and that's the hardest part. But now it was simple. Let me explain. So open your browser and search for autoshorts.ai. This is the website we want to use, but there is one problem. It is not completely free to use, so you can't download your generated videos. However, trust me, I will help you with this at the end of the video. First, you need to create an account. You can choose one of the options and register a new account. After creating an account, we need to create a video. To generate a video, click on Create Your Series. Then click on Destination and choose Email Me instead. Now choose a content category. Here you will see several options. Select whichever one you like. I am generating a motivational short video, so I select motivational. For voice, I select Alloy and choose English as the language. I select 30 to 60 seconds for the time duration, and finally, click on Create Series. Now, wait for a few moments. Our video is ready. Let's play it. Listen up, fiery souls hungry for greatness. Today, we ignite the flames of your inner maverick. Fear, crush it beneath your feet. Doubt, laugh in its face. You're not here to tiptoe through life, you're here to fucking dance on that. If you try to download, it won't download because this website requires a paid subscription. But no problem, I am here to help you. Before I tell you the trick to download, please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. If you are using a PC, you can download the video by right-clicking with your mouse and selecting Inspect Element. Then, select this icon. Next, click on the video. You will see in Video Tag. Open this tag by clicking the arrow. Here, you will see the link. Double-click the link and copy it, then paste it into a browser and press Enter. Your video will be ready to download. That this method doesn't always work. You need to wait for at least 10 minutes, after which you will receive an email with a download link. Click on the link and your video will be downloaded. If you still face any issues, comment and I will reply with further instructions. Finally, upload these videos to your YouTube channel and grow it. And also don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on such amazing videos.